Page 44, drill. It's the top of the page. They're introducing you to the key of D major. D major has two sharps. See, we've had G major is one sharp, and that's an F sharp. It's always an F sharp. F sharp is always the first sharp in a key signature. Now we get another sharp added on, and that is a C sharp. And like the F sharp, the C sharp is always the second sharp in a key signature. So you don't even have to, when you see two sharps, you don't have to worry about what they are. You should automatically know it's an F and a C. Well, in the key of D major, it's got two sharps. So I guess that now it's time to go do my D major scale, one octave up and down. Learn the scale, learn the fingering. If you'll remember our pattern of whole steps and half steps that make up a G major scale, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. If you follow that pattern starting on a D, you're going to get this. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. D majors, it all works out. Here in the drill, let's just go over this. John Thompson uses these tetrachords. I prefer the real fingering for the scale, but we'll go ahead and do what they're doing. And you're starting out in this position, but remember the F sharp here. And then the right hand goes here to that, but remember the C sharp. You got those. That's the position. You're doing the scale at first. And then you're doing the D chord here. And then a 3-1. And then the right hand goes up to do the chord again. And the left hand crosses over to get the D. See the 8VA above it? It's here, but you got to go an octave up, so it's up here. And then down. Those are the notes. Rhythm's not a problem, I hope. Quarter notes and half notes. So let's just play this through very slowly to make sure we got it all. I would prefer, as I said before, that you do my scale video on D major and not this, but that's in the book. Your teacher probably wants you to do it, so let's do it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Repeat. 2. 2, 3. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4,